Finding leads in GigaProfits. You can find your leads in GigaProfits by two ways. You can use the search bar here, click in the search, type in the lead's name. So let's use Joe as an example. Once you type in their name, do not hit the enter key, just wait, and it would auto-populate their name. Now I can either click on his email address or his name. Once I click on his name here, it would redirect me to Joe's lead information page. Another way of finding your lead is click on the sales menu on the left side, go to leads. Once I choose the leads filter, I'm gonna expand on this. Now I can search by any of this criteria, or I can just go under all leads. Once I go under all leads, you're gonna see Joe Smith is here. I can even type in, if let's say the list is very long, there's like hundreds of people in this list, you can even type in, the person's name in this search field, and their name would auto-populate as well. Now I can click on Joe Smith's name here, and it again redirects me to Joe's lead information page. As you see, his name, his last name, his email address, date of birth, and his phone number, everything is visible here.